Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my noble and humble platform. Cause here we always talk about how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, how to invest in stock, and at times to talk about tech. Yeah. So today I want to show you how you can mine free TRX. How you can mine TRX. Yeah, TRX. Yeah, it's also a cryptocurrency. Yes, I want to show you how you can mine it, and it will make you money from now to ever. Yeah. So first of all, I will leave the link in my description. So if you want to download, you download from the link in my description. A lot of people have been asking me, "Oh, bro, I can't find a link." I said the link is in my description. The down there. Click on it. You see the link over there. Yeah. So we'll be using Neptune. And let me tell you this thing. Disclaimer, like, though it's working for me, maybe it will not work for you. And I'm not a financial coach. I just search for good apps and what. And if I tried and I make money from it, and I think I have to do videos about it, then I will do videos about it. So I'm not a financial coach, and it's not force for you to what invest in these things. I'm not here to force anybody. I'm here to what educate people about these things. So if you feel that okay, yeah, this guy is making money from it, so then let me do it, then you can do it on your own risk. I'm not forcing you. Yeah. And Neptune Network, I've been there for more than a year now. Yeah, more than a year now. Yeah. So today I'll be showing you how you can mine your TRX and also bind your Google Authenticator. How you can also bind your Google Authenticator. So I hope you will be with me from now to the end so that you understand what I'm trying to make. Yeah. So this is the TRX. Yeah, this is the TRX. So I'm here to show you how you can also mine a TRX. Yeah. So when you download or you register this app, first of all, you go to mine. The mine, you hot, you go to invite friends. The invite friends, make sure that you bind mine code first. So after that, you also invite your friends for them to bind your code, not my code, your code. And if they bind your code, automatically doesn't mean you earn money. No. After binding the code, you have two things that you have to do. And today I will talk about one. I'll talk about the Google Authenticator. Yeah. So I've seen that I have Google capture and it was binded, so I'll be showing you how I did it. Yeah, so first of all, I went to Play Store and downloaded the Google Authenticator. Yeah, so after that I came to Neptune, and since I'm ready to mine TRX, I'll go to TRX and I'll go to receive and copy my TRX code and go to, let's say, Binance or Xness. Xness Pro does have TRS account, so I'll go to Binance or any crypto wallet that have TRS. Example is Trust Wallet and Co. Yeah, and I will deposit TRX in this wallet. And this wallet you have to deposit more than. So let me show you. You have to deposit more than 100 TRX. So 100 TRX is equivalent to what? 10 USDT. 100 TRX is equivalent to what? 10 USDT. Yeah. So So when you deposit the money in the account, you see that here or be, let's say, 100 TRX. Yeah, 100 TRX. So you go to trading. Here's the trading, and instead of going to USDT, you go to TRX. So the TRX, you enter the amount. So it's the minimum is what, 100 TRX. So you enter 100 TRX and you click on what, start, and it will start mining TRX for you. You see here, it's starting mining TRX for you, like how right now I'm mining USDT right now. Yeah, so it will mine TRX for you, and every day you'll be getting money. So let me. So everything that USDT, everything that is moving, so it will move till daybreak. So till daybreak, then the amount you'll be getting, you withdraw it, and you also what, mind the wallet, mind the coin again. So the coin ends 12 o'clock p.m. So yeah, so no matter the time you start doing your trade, 12 o'clock p.m., the mine will also stop. Is that then? Yeah, then you resume your next mining. Yeah. So after doing this thing, before you can withdraw money from here, unless you download Google Authenticator. Yeah. So unless you download the Google Authenticator, there's the Google Authenticator. Unless you download this thing, I recently that I have like kind of Ramatino, and we have for Neptune Network. Yeah. So you download the Google Authenticator and you go to Neptune, the Neptune wallet, the Neptune wallet. So you go here and you go to what, Google this thing. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, they will tell you to bind it. So you get some code here. If you go to, have you seen the backup private key? Yeah. So the back, I will not open it for you to see it because like it's my private key. So if you open the backup private key, you see some code over there. So when you go to Google Authenticator, here you click on here. Have you seen here? Then you enter setup key. Then you set up your key over there, and it will add up. Have you seen it? Yeah, and it will add up. So that's how you add your authenticator. So after adding the authenticator, then you do your two verification. After that, you can receive free TRX every day for you to start investing or start trading or start mining your TRX. Yeah, that is why I was telling you when I was teaching you how you can mine your USDT, that though this your USDT, me, I didn't invest any money. Nah, I didn't invest any money. I just invite people, and after that, I did my Google authentication, and I also did my two verification code. So every day when I wake up in the morning, I will receive 43 USDT. Then I will invest it and mine it. So let's say when the day close, I'll be earning, let's say, 5 USDT at times. So I'll earn 6, at times to 4, at times to 3. It depends on the time you did the mining. So 12 o'clock p.m., the mining will stop. I hope you get it. Yeah. So after mining your USDT, or mining your TRX, if you want to withdraw, you click on the TRX and you click on what, transfer. So the minimum amount you can transfer from your account is 11. Yeah, the minimum amount is what, 11. And 11 is equivalent to, I think, 1 USDT. Yeah. 11 is equivalent to, I think, 1 USDT. Yeah. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's easy for you to mine your TRX. Yeah. And the reason why I've been saying this is that I've been using, okay, let me go to my records for you to see. I've been using this for more than 2 months. Like, I've been, I wanted you to see something. 11th, 20th, like 11th November. That's when I started earning money. Though I had the account and and using this account was very difficult for me because I heard someone talking about this account and I downloaded this account, but I wasn't familiar with the account. So this account was on my phone for the past 2 months. So just last month, and I said, nah, okay, let me glance through whether I can learn something about it. And I glanced through it, and now I know my way out and my way in on this app. You see, so at times you don't need to just say that now I want to be on this app and make money fast. Nah, education is the key. Just learn something. Just learn something. If you learn it, being on this app is very easy for you to make it. Because like for the past 2 days when I did video about how to mine USDT, people have been asking me, bro, I can't make money, I can't do this, I can't do this, and some people will say, oh, I've made money. You see, because people are eager to make money, so they're not ready to learn, and that's one mistake that you'll fraud, like you'll be fraud by people, or you'll flop in your online business because you're not ready to learn. And if you're not ready to learn and you're eager to make money, you are eager to spend money and you get nothing from it. You see, so I'll advise you to learn, learn. At times, pay, pay for mentorship for people to mentor you so that you learn something. You see that thing, yeah. So this TRX, after mining it, after mining this TRX, every day you're receiving 430 TRX, and all you'll be doing is what? Go to trading, come here, go here, and enter 430 and click on what starts, and it will start mining every day, mining. So when you feel like, okay, right now it's up to the money I want to withdraw, you go to your wallet, you go to this thing, you go to what? Transfer. Then you were withdrawing, so the withdrawal, you have to withdraw this money to, let's say, different wallets. So it can be Binance, it can be Trust Wallet, blah 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 blah. All you need is go to their platform, copy their TRX deposit code, that's their TRX address, and come here and paste over here. So when you click on confirm, within 3 minutes you will receive the money in your TRX account. Very simple. You see that thing? It's very simple. It's very simple. But because people don't like to learn, that's why me, mostly when I do videos, I try to explain a lot and leave, let's say, just one thing from it for you to do your research and not learn. You see, because if you learn about this thing, no one can take it from you. No one can take this thing from you. You can learn it and know how you can do everything on your own. So it's not everything that someone have to do for you. We are here to guide you. That's why I said that I'm not a financial coach. I'm just here what I've learned and what is working for me. Then I'll do videos about it. And if you think you have to also practice it, then you practice it. I'm not here to coach anyone because I'm not a financial coach. You see, so I'm just like you. I go to online, search for what can make me rich online. Then I find some apps and websites, and I'll try to practice it. That's how I do my things. Yeah. So I think You take my little advice and you start do something great, and don't always make people do something for you. Just do something. Just learn something. Yeah. So I think I'm done, and thank you for watching me. And if you appreciate my efforts, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, because me, I always tell you the truth. I would say the truth. Learning online business can change your life. Learning online business can change how you think, because right now some people are in their rooms making money. You see that then. So it's better for you to learn online business. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out. Ask my too much, but still now I'm trying to advise you. Bye.